jump we've ever done. Flew up the roost. I knew he's coming that tree.
Guys, we're out here fishing. We'll be cutting up the sucker, using it for bait. Sucker's frozen. Fish just jumped. Buddy Case is getting a bite. Bite alert. Is he gonna take it? Will or not? Yep. He got him! Fish on, baby! Yeah. Nice one. Oh man, you're gonna take off all these lines, I think. Okay. Guys, we're gonna try to land this fish for you. Once again.
Yeah, give me a carp.
Huh?
Take the carp. Yeah, take it in.
Draw him, maybe. Is it fighting good?
Fighting pretty good.
Oh yeah. Big cat, ain't it?
Yep.
Got my lines. Bring him over here. Let him swim. That's a nice catfish. You landed him. We got him, baby. Shoot. I don't know what the hell's going on. This one. Here, take him. It's a nice catfish, dude. Oh yeah. That's good. Hold on.
I've been adjusting. I keep on watching the line. I was like, it's going down underneath that tree. I was playing it like, yes. You know, the other one, I was like, yes.
Yeah.
You gotta cast like up in there to get it to stay.
Yeah.
But, something like that.
That's a nice catfish, dude. Can I keep it?
Huh?
I'll do catch and cook on that bitch.
You want it?
Yeah.
Up to you.
Yeah.
You can't cook it.
What do you mean cook it?
You can't cook it because the oven ain't working. You might as well just release this one.
Yeah. Oven's out.
You don't want to freeze it.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
You're definitely right. That's a nice fish, guys.
Oh, it's all
Yeah. Got the grass all over it. It's a nice catfish. It looks bluish tinted.
It's winter.
Is that why?
I think they're lighter colored than the winter. This will cut your mouth, man. Probably 2 pounder, 2.5 pound.
Nice one. It's a nice catfish.
Here.
Gonna release the cotter, daddy.
Damn, that son of a bitch is bleeding,
Man,
dude.
from his mouth too.
That's where that hook was.
Yeah. Man, he got the.
Sorry, bud. Pretty easy, quick.
What's on here?
I got your line.
Okay. I thought there's 3 mud puppies. Casey got my puppy too.
case he sure did get him.
You fucking one-upped me again, you little bitch. He keeps one-upping me.
Oh, man.
Oh, man, that's cool.
There must be a shit ton of these little fuckers up in there. Wait a second.
It's tangled. It's a leaf. You see that leaf? This, you have to get that seaweed off. That's all you gotta do. You ain't gotta burn that.
Yeah.
Here.
I'm quite scared of this fucking thing, dude.
Why?
I don't know, they're creepy looking. I don't know what to do.
Kill it. No.
Kill it. Dude, look at your line. I'm doing the lighter procedure. Alright, you're stiff. Don't hit me.
No, he's angry. Oh, okay. Wow, God, it's just water today. Gorgeous. I'm feeling good about today. 50, no, it's 62 actually. Yeah, 62 out. Hopefully we can catch some. You got him! No shit.
Yes, sir, buddy.
Yeah! Brooksboys outdoors.
Oh, this is 14 pound type. Shine on over on the phone real quick and make sure nothing's going on.
Sorry.
Look at her poles, make sure anything's away.
Oh.
It's a muskie.
Oh, muskie! Oh, muskie! Oh, that night key. The first time I fell all year. It happened. Man, I'm taking this.
You gotta listen to the song again, Cameron?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm out of your line. I know I'm not.
That's a nice catfish. I don't think that's a female. Can I eat that one?
Huh?
Can I eat that one?
Was that electric?
I don't know, let me call. Alrighty guys, we are out here. Water's pretty good. This water's actually really good. Huh? Oh, you see that caught? That was pro skills. Huh. Right here. Man, I'm about busting my face. And my tits. Never fun busting your tits. Right here? You got one already. I am shocked right now. I cannot believe you already got one, Hoss. Oh, we've been here for fucking 2 seconds. I'm gonna go get my bag. I'm trying down here. I'm fishing down here. Oh, dude. Hell yeah. Hold on. Keep. Yeah, I got it on. She's got a pretty nice walleye, guys. Little one. Sparman. The spawn it on. How many casts? Just roll. Alright guys, here's what we use. It's right here. Just missed twister, sinker. Jig head with a missed twister. Roll it slow. Slash jig it a little bit maybe. Depends how they bite and change. They do. Well, everybody, we're out here. Going to be doing some fishing. Almost there. Talking to the camera. I don't care where we start. Doesn't really matter. Hopefully we can catch some fish. I think I'm gonna lose my hand. I think I'm gonna lose my hand. It's hard. My hand's literally hard. About to touch my dick for a minute. That's fine. Fuck. Really? Do you? I know, I got you. Is it? Walleye! Let's go. Hell yeah, Casey.
Let it sink a long time. It takes a while to cast way up, let it sink down, because it took a while. I let it sink forever before it touched bottom.
Let me get a picture. Here.